Hi everybody. Today I got my Luxury Divas box for January 2022. It looks a little bit smaller than usual, but let's see what's in here. It's been a while since I made a video, but right now I'm working on a haul video. That's my winter haul. And my Beautylish Lucky Bag is supposed to be here in a couple of days, so I'll be filming that one too. Right now, we got the January box with a retail value of $121. So, here it is. So the first thing I see is Smart Food sweet and salty popcorn, or kettle corn. I like the way they always include a little snack in the box. That's just a nice little touch. And then we got this. This is a headband. Oh, it has a little flower. This is pretty. The flower is not directly in the center. It's kind of off to the side. Let me see. It'll fit on my head. It has 2 buttons, so you can adjust it for the size of your head. So that's cute. I like this. Okay. Alrighty. And then this piece of jewelry can be worn as either a necklace or a bracelet. Let's take a look at it. There it is. I like the stone in there. That's pretty. On both sides. It goes through both sides. I don't like tight things around my neck, but I will wear this as a bracelet. I do like it. It's very pretty. Okay. And then I have some lipstick. Italia Deluxe. And it is the Seduce Me Lipstick Set. You know I love lipstick. That's why I have so many tubes. Okay. We got a red one and a pretty, like a brownish color. Let's open it. There's the red. That's a pretty red. And then, oh, that's beautiful. It's my kind of shade right here. That's a nice nude for me. Yeah, these are nice. I like them. And then next, cotton spandex, a black article of clothing. Let's see what it is. I like the way they wrap everything so nicely. Oh, this is a tank top. Okay. I mean, who can't use a black tank top, right? It's stretchy, soft. Oh, I like this. Okay, has adjustable straps. Wow. All right. It's always nice to get clothes. And then the last thing is this red item. This is it's a cardigan. Let me put it on so you can see how it looks. I already have two shirts on, but I want to see how it feels and looks. Okay. I might wear this tomorrow. This is something nice that I can wear to work. Comfortable. Just long enough. Okay. All right. And I like the color. All right, so for the January Luxury Divas box, I got this gorgeous red cardigan, the black tank top, a knitted headband with a pretty flower on it, the bracelet or choker necklace, two gorgeous lipsticks, and a sweet and salty snack. Okay, that's everything that I got in the January Luxury Divas box. Thank you for watching. Bye.